Anthony David's name, aka Chidav, and today I am super excited because YAM is doing extremely great after 2 months. So the yams were planted in sack, like you can see right now, they are flourishing, and we are so super excited because we are then seeing the fact that the yams have already emerged, and this is 2 months after cultivation, and they how should I put it, they are already giving us joy. So what we need to do right now is, I'm going to be showing you, we need to start making plans for stake preparation, staking of the yam, and then application of a nutrient. What we're going to be using will be BSF RAS or decomposed poultry dung. So all these are things we are going to be using, but they are definitely going to give us super good result, and we're going to be using a bit of fertilizer to NPK 15-15-15, and what we're going to be using for this, but it's really going to be little. We're going to have more of BSF, more like 70% BSF RAS, which is organic manure, and then 30% of inorganic manure. So that is our plan for this particular project, and I am super excited because this is I'm just thinking of the money we're going to realize at the end of the day, but definitely they are going to do great. I am promising you that. All right guys, right now smash on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and turn on your notification bell if you are yet to do that. So we need to dive in, and I need to show you around. Welcome. This is just an update, 2 months after cultivation in sack. But if you haven't watched the previous videos on the establishment, and then 54 days after cultivation, the progress down to this point, I'm going to be putting the link on the top of this video right now. Go click on those links and then go watch, and then come back to this one so you can fully understand what we have done so far on this very place. So welcome guys, this is super amazing. 2 months after cultivation, and we are already having some very exciting results. Our yams are already sprouting vigorously from the sacks, and everyone is super excited. So if you pay attention to everything you're seeing right now, you would see that the yams are already emerging, and as you can see, we need to then make plans for the vines of this yam. Are you seeing the emergent vine? They are looking great. So I'm super excited. So I really want you guys to see it. So the next thing we are going to be doing is we need to then start making plans for the stakes where the vines or the yam stems are gonna climb up. So one thing you need to know is your yam would do extremely well when they have a very good stake where they can grow on. So once you have a very good stake which enables the yam vines to crawl or climb on, definitely these yams they are made for greatness. So just pay attention to all of these as they are emerging, and everyone is super excited. So I'm going to show you the site where we've started with the raising of the stake and how we plan on raising these stakes. So you see, we have over 1,400 sacks already, and I'm still going to tell you the amazing story because we are also planning for expansion. So you're going to be seeing everything and how we are going about it. So stay tuned. Let me take you to where we are having the stakes raised, where we started with the stake and our plan for the yams in sack. So let's dive in, guys. So welcome guys, this is the site where we started with the construction of the stakes. But coming here, I realized there are a couple of things we need to do. And the first thing we need to do is we need to get a very high stake. We want this stake as high as possible, because the better the yams will do. Because the yam, if they are able to crawl around the stake and go as high as possible to gain or have access to sunlight, then they are definitely going to do great at the end of the day. So the goal now is, and definitely we have to change all of this. We need to get something very, very heavy that can support the weight of the vines or the stem of the yam, because when they start climbing and rolling on this, it's definitely going to follow. So we don't want something that we'll do and then come back later to it. But the first thing is we are then going to come to the center and get about 1-2 stakes raised here, so that even if we get another stick, or a stick that will then rest on those supporting, if we get a supporting stick and then put it on this one, then we'll get something that will give it the right support. Get something that will give it the right support. That's because the weight of the vine or the stem of the yam is definitely going to put it back, and we don't want that at the end of the day. So that is what we are going to be doing for all the field. So that we get the best. For the ones that already emerged, we've started with the application of manure. So what we applied was BSF frass, which is black soldier frass. That's the manure we are. It's an BSF frass is just it's a decomposed manure. It's already decomposed, and it definitely will be available for uptake by the plant. So for those that are already emerged, we already started with the application of the PSF. But later, when everything is properly developed, when they are all emerged, we'll then be able to give it the proper care and attention or management we have in store for it. So for now, for the emerged ones, we're already adding a little bit of BSF frass or manure to it, so that we can really have it growing very, very well. So we're preparing them for life, and definitely I'm excited because this whole thing is going to do extremely well. I'm going to keep you posted. We just saw virtually everything you needed to know as regards the yam in sack. I showed you virtually the state of the yam. I'm super excited. I'm so excited. Yeah, of course, one of the things that gives you joy as a farm manager or as an agriculturist is the fact that you are seeing result, and result is super exciting because you know that you have done well. So right now, guys, I got to go, but before I go, I need you to right now smash on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Turn on the notification bell and do well to like this video, share this video as well. Hey, 2 videos right now on your screen. Punch on one of those videos and go watch another amazing content from Chidav Agricultural Hub. Go watch from Chidav Agricultural Hub.